If you want workflows to be fast, then what you can do is you can use something called keyboard shortcuts. For example, if I want to copy and paste this, I can hold Alt on my keyboard, click and drag it. If I want to copy this, I can press Ctrl C on my keyboard right here, and then I can press Ctrl V to paste it out right here as well. So similarly, if you want to know what other keyboard shortcuts are, you can go around over here onto the menu, and you can see that besides the certain options, you can see the keyboard shortcuts right here. And besides that, if you want to see a list of keyboard shortcuts, you can go around over here onto help an account, and over here you can see that keyboard shortcuts is an option. Once you click on this, what happens is that you get a range of keyboard shortcuts, as you can see right here. So this show and hide UI is Control/ right here. So if I were to press Control/, you can show and hide UI, as you can see right here. The pick color is I right here, so that is how you can pick color. And similarly, you can go around into different tabs right here. So over here, you can see that if you were to go to view, the ruler is Shift R right here, just like this, and ruler is visible. Shift R, the ruler is hidden out. So you can go around into transform, and then you can see that you can flip this out right here. Arrangement, there's bring forward, send back. So you can see that there's shortcut key for all of them. And you can easily access this out and work around with this shortcut keys inside of Figma design file using the keyboard shortcut. And to access it, you can go to the keyboard shortcut menu itself. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.